So you heard something about Nowsite having a new save feature, save section, save image block, and you want to know what that's all about. And I'm going to show you. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur with six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, and hey, today I'm gonna dive back into Nowsite. Hey, look, guys, I don't know if you realize this. If this is your first time watching my video, go watch my other ones and see that we've been at this since 2017. If you're somebody that like jumping around and you've been in multiple opportunities, you've been trying to find that right home, let this sink in. 2017. So we're on our way to becoming a legacy company. A legacy company, a company that's been here 10 years plus, right? We're already working on that on our 5th year right now as I speak to you, and ready to go on 5 more. So, when you're looking around at all these different things and trying to figure it out, just know that this is the place to be. And proof's in the pudding. It ain't tapioca, because like I said, we're going on 5 years strong. So with that being said, how has Nowsite been improving? Well, they have been improving dramatically throughout the years. And hey, you know what? They still have not been disappointing, because now they just added a new image save feature. And I'll show you what that really is all about. And I'm going to go into it by using some pages that's already been created. So let's dive in and show you now how you can streamline your web building process by saving previous things that you've already created, or creating something right now and then using that as a template base to be able to start your other website. So I'll show you what that means. I know it might be a little confusing right now. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So this is a website that I created for myself, right? And it has something on here that I want to use elsewhere. So you come down here, it says, have a question, I have answers. I'd love to help you answer any questions you may have. Feel free to call me. And when you hit this call button, it'll automatically call. See right here, my phone number. Now the thing is, yeah, this is easy for me to put together, but if I was to put this together in every single site I did, again, I would have to make a red background. I would have to play with the colors. I would have to play with the spacing. I would have to play with this font. If I wanted to change that font, then if I wanted this font and the other one, the default wasn't this one, I would have to put some new heading and subheading if I wanted to say something. If I wanted to say this and an array say this, and I would have to add some call to action. So not super cumbersome, but we're talking about at least 2-3 minutes worth of work, right? Minimum. So now, as you can see right here, you see where it says add to save collection. I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to call this my templates. Okay, and I'm going to save. Okay, so that's one. All right, so now we did that. Let's back out. And I want to do the same thing over here. See where it says demo. I'm going to take some things from here. So you see this right here? You see how it's already got the capture page with the image back here, with my logo. Okay, everything already set up. So I like that. So I'm going to hit add to save selection. My templates. And hit save. Okay, back out. Come down here. We're gonna edit that one. Now the thing I like about this one is you see how it has a background, a video background, and then again I can put my logo. Of course I can change this, and then I can change that information. So for right now, I'm gonna use this as a starting point though, right? And we're gonna save that. And save. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to use this one right here, which is more like a website that gets you started, right? And I got a few key elements here, like you see how I got the video, but then I got a call to action with a description right there. So I might want to do something there with that, right? Or I might want to save the video being able to side. Or how about this right here? This section right here, where I got the 3 pictures already ready to go with the font name. So that's good. So let's hit that one. Okay. My templates. Okay, save. Do I see anything else I want? No, no. And I could do gallery. So let's just stay right there. So right there, so far, we've already saved a few different elements. So let's go show you what that looks like now in real time. So now, let's go out and build a brand new website from scratch. So I hit add new. Okay, I'm gonna start from a blank page. Okay. All right, so we're going to start from a blank page. And now I want you to pay attention over here to the left, okay? So over here to the left, once we get these going, hold on. Okay? If you look over here, it says save sections, right? So let's open that up. Now right here in the save sections, what you see? My templates. Okay, and actually I did this wrong. So you see how I saved this my templates? I should have saved it as what it was. So I should have put like capture page, and now I don't even know what this is, right? So well, I should have saved this as like what it actually was. So let's go drag it over and show you what you can do with this now. So you drag this one over, the first one, there it goes. So I should have named that, instead of saying templates, I should have named that picture gallery, right? Something of that nature. Okay, so that's already done. Okay, so hit okay. Then I go to my save sections again. Let's say I wanted to do, let's say it's probably this one. Drag and drop this one over. Okay, so let's bring that down. That makes sense to come down. Let's bring that right here. Okay, so now we got that. Now look how fast and easy I can build a website out using these, section blocks like this. Okay, so go back to my save sections again. Drag this one up there. There you go. So you see how this whole website's coming together, and we're doing it in minutes, not hours. You know what I mean? We got everything we need right here, already ready to go. All right, so look, we got the head, we got the capture page up the top, with the description. We got image gallery, and I got them be able to call me. I could pretty much stop right here almost, right? Like this is pretty much a site right here, and I could just keep on building upon it. But you see how easy it is to keep building upon it, like I was saying? Okay, see that? Or I could put that at the top. Even that could have been at the top, right? Could have had that one there, and then delete this one. Okay, and then I could delete this one. All right, hit the save, and now I can delete this one. All right, see? So now we got that at the top. We got our picture gallery, and then they can call me. So you see how quick now. Imagine the things that you can do now. Now you can pretty much create these blocks first. That's what I would recommend. Create a bunch of blocks, okay? And then put them in your section already ready to go. So now all you have to do is just drag and drop and make your building easy, streamlined. Like with your building out funnels for your team, right? And little things change, like, their phone number right here, but not the design, just little things like their phone number, where this page gets redirected when somebody puts their information in. That's the type of stuff that needs to change. But other than that, everything else stays and remains the same. Right? You following me? You following me? So this right here could streamline your whole process of making landing pages for your team, funnels for your team, systems for your team. Look, everything's drag, drop, simple, easy, and Nowsite made it super simple and nowhere near complex for you to be able to do it. So definitely wanted to show you what this was all about, because I think this is a huge a new feature that Nowsite has just rolled out. They're actually rolling out some new ones. I'll be doing a video next in the next couple of days, because they're going to be releasing some more features next week, like big bold text, big bold headlines. A timer. They're going to be actually adding a timer. So by the time you view this video, there should be another feature where you can actually add a custom timer to the page. That's pretty awesome. Before we need to code those in. So we was doing it, but we was using HTML code. Now you can do it without that. So I know I'm getting a little techie for some people right now, like, what are you talking about? But for the most part, just know that the same way we're dragging and dropping things onto the page, you'll be able to now drag and drop a timer come next week. Also, they'll have the favicon in the top, which is basically your logo or image of the website when someone goes in the browser. And then last but not least, they're gonna have custom domains, so you'll be able to do custom domains right out of your back office. So imagine coming back here and setting up an actual domain from where your favorite host, GoDaddy, wherever, and then boom, playing it, plug it in right here. So how cool is that when you really start breaking it down, thinking about what you have here? You know what I mean? Like, you have everything up under one umbrella when it comes to building out your website. Like before, it was like, all right, well, I only can do a landing page, or I only can make a cat. Now you can do a full website. And imagine being able to do unlimited websites, and you're only paying $47 a month. And I got a special for you. If you actually take action today, right now, because this special is not going to be going much longer, join today, put in save 40, okay, and check out, and it's going to take off $40 for the activation fee, and now you only pay the $47, and that's it, and not a penny more. So if you're watching this and it's still available, awesome, that means you took action. If you're waiting, you're sitting on the fence, and you try this later, it might not be available, and then you're going to have to pay $47 plus another $40 for activation fee, making it to $87. So I'm pretty sure you'd rather cut that price in half and be able to get everything that Nowsite has to offer. All right? So if you like what you see, hit the link below, getmoneyLikeAboss.com, and we'll get you going right now. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. Also, don't forget, smash that subscribe button. That way you do not miss out, and you get notified when I be making these type of videos. All right? All right. Well, that's all I got for you today. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one for sure. Until then, have a blessed day.